On this video, I'm going to reproduce the style of Dante. To do this haircut, I'm going to do a section that divides the front to the back of the hairstyle. Check the storyboard so you can see what kind of length we are looking at, where is the frame starts, and where the layers are seen on this hairstyle. To get that jagged look at the end, I'm going to use the razor with the freeform cutting technique. First, I'm going to be cutting the panel on the center, straight, and then the two ones on the side and a little bit diagonal back so I can get a slightly oval hairstyle on the back. To cut the frame, I would use as a reference the cheekbone, so I can cut from this point all the way down. This particular haircut is styled as a curtain bangs, so you gotta make sure that you leave enough length so you can cut this later on if you need to cut it a little bit shorter. Using the frame as a reference, cut using the French cutting technique around the curve of the head. As you can see, I'm using an angle that is slightly negative, preserving a little more length on the perimeter. Continue using the same angle with your finger position around the head. To cut the last part of the octagon on the nape area, I would use this angle to connect the length that I just created with the length that I have on the perimeter. As you can see, this is giving me a positive angle to cut. That is the cool thing about using my deconstruction cutting method. You're never lost and you always know what you need to cut next. If you haven't yet, check out my online course so you can learn this system. To make the underneath a little bit shorter so the hair on the top goes a little bit longer, I will be using the razor and cutting from the top to the bottom. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side. The first thing you need to dry is the front part so you can get the curtain bands split out. To blow dry this style, I suggest use a little bit of wax so you can get a little bit more of that disheveled look. When you're done giving that lift on the front, you can do the part. On some cases, to get the hair straightened up, you can use the round brush. Now that you see the hair dry, check out the layers to see if you like it. At this point, I'm going to cut a little bit of the length and texture on the front of the bangs. I hope you guys like this style. Dante was one of those styles that you guys asked a lot for it. This style is going to look good on any face type, including the round faces. This particular style will look good on any hair color as well. Let me know if you want me to do any other characters from video games.